Hi YouTube team, my name is Shamna and I'm the owner of the channel Smart Fun Wonders. This is my appeal for the reused content decision. My YouTube URL is youtube.com/@smartfunwonders. I want to clearly explain how I actually create my videos. I have around 5 years of experience working with artificial intelligence, and I use that knowledge to create movie-style short videos in my own unique way. First, I do research. I watch popular movies and scenes just to understand trends, visuals, and what audiences enjoy. I don't reuse or upload any of that content directly. It's only for inspiration. Then, I come up with my own concept. I create a completely new idea, storyline, or theme for each video. After that, I use AI tools like ChatGPT to write detailed prompts. In those prompts, I define things like the scene style, mood, characters, camera angles, lighting, and the overall emotion. This helps me generate something original every time. I create my visuals using AI tools like Veo 3 and Meta AI based on my own prompts. Nothing is copied from movies. Everything is fully AI generated and blended with original character images to make unique videos. Once I have the visuals, I edit everything myself using Clipchamp. I add captions, adjust timing, arrange the clips into a proper story, and make sure the pacing works well for short-form videos. I also add AI musics, sound effects, AI voiceover, original music, and transitions to make the videos more engaging. So the final result is always a transformed and original video with my own creative input, storytelling, and editing. It's not reused content. Across my entire channel, I consistently follow this same process to create unique and entertaining content. I kindly request you to review my channel again. I've put a lot of effort and creativity in my work, and I truly want to continue growing on YouTube. If it is not approved for monetization, I may choose to invest my time in other meaningful activities. Thank you for your time.